What's good, YouTube? We got the PCM loose. Majority of this whole side. Only thing that's connected. Let me see where we at. Is this wire right here, but that's really going to the well, not really. It's going to the starter. So I was watching Cat Loco, but found a little easier way for me. You know, make my hands small, I can get in and out. This side damn near done. So get this out and I'm gonna get the motor and shit out. Motor probably be out tomorrow or something, or during the week, but I had this I had a wire harness completely out. Today I'm taking in and out brakes, as y'all can see. So yeah, just want to show y'all that.